What are some of the cues in terms of what women want? I go to the gym. It's a hotly contested debate. You said evolutionary psychology, and this is in the bro psychology forums that I visit multiple times a day. No, I'm just kidding. What's the most important cue of appearance for guys? What muscle group is the most important to work on? Do
Well,
women care about biceps? Is what I'm asking.
in terms of physical appearance, uh, a good shoulder to hip ratio, so relatively wide shoulders relative to hips, is one. Women tend to prefer men who are physically fit and well toned, but not muscle bound. So, like if you go to, I don't know, someone like those early when Arnold Schwarzenegger was doing the Mr. whatever it was contest, you see women don't find those attractive, the extremely muscle bound guys, but they like a guy who's physically fit, high shoulder to hip ratio. They like guys who are physically taller than they are, and guys who are a bit above average in height. So if the average, so if the average is, I don't know, 5'9", 5'10", and out there for humans, depending on the culture, women prefer an inch or two taller than that. So
shoulders, height, dad bod. What's that about? Why do you want a dad bod? Why do you why not? How do I define dad bod?
What is a dad bod?
Dad bod is not muscle bound.
Okay, so out of shape.
A little no, just a little bit. A little bit of cushion for the pushing. I don't know what the kids call it these days, but just a little bit of fat. So why do they not want guys to be obsessed with their body? Is that some evolutionary thing?
Yeah, I think that women might interpret a guy who is so obsessed with his body that they might view that as a sign of narcissism.
Yes.
And that's not a good trait.